Today we're going to be training you how to operate the Betco Stealth ASD26BT auto scrubber. Before we begin, you'll want to make sure that the right tools are equipped with the auto scrubber, including the squeegee assembly, battery charger, and pad drivers. This unit includes 2 pad drivers that will have to be put on the machine before use. The 3 knobs indicated here will have to be put in the proper place in order for the machine to properly function. To change the pad, simply remove the pad holder by unthreading the pad holder clip. Remove the pad from the Velcro backing and you are now ready to put on a pad for your desired floor. To add a pad, simply put the pad back onto the pad holder on the Velcro backing and re-thread the clip onto the pad holder. You are now ready to install your pad drivers so you can begin using the auto scrubber. To install the pad driver, you will need to take the right-sided pad driver and lock the pad driver into the proper position by rotating the pad counterclockwise to lock it into place on the scrubber. Now take the left-sided pad driver and lock it into place by rotating the pad driver clockwise, which is opposite of the right-hand side. Once the pad drivers are installed properly, you are now ready to install the squeegee bar assembly. To install the squeegee assembly, you will need to install it from left to right. The left knob will slide into position and the right knob will clip into place by putting it underneath the assembly holder and pushing it up. Now simply install the suction hose onto the squeegee assembly and you are almost ready to begin using the auto scrubber. You are now ready to fill the auto scrubber with water. Remove the cap from the front of the machine by unthreading it counterclockwise. Fill the auto scrubber with water and any desired chemical for the floor being clean. It is a good idea to fill the water first before any chemical to prevent foaming. Now thread the cap back onto the machine. The sight indicator on the back of the auto scrubber will let you know when the water is full or empty. Turn the key switch to the right to turn on the machine. The control panel will show you the battery life remaining on the auto scrubber. To lower down the front chassis, use your right foot and put downward pressure on the pedal and move it to the right. To lift the chassis, simply do the opposite. To lower down the squeegee, turn it to the left. Now to adjust the speed of the auto scrubber, turn the speed knob clockwise to adjust to the desired speed during operation. This unit is self-propelled, so simply pull on the triggers and begin walking with the auto scrubber. Here's a quick review. Turn the key to the right to turn on the auto scrubber. Adjust the speed control to the desired speed of operation. Move the squeegee handle to the left to lower the squeegee assembly. Put down the pad chassis with the right foot by using the pedal. Pull the triggers and begin walking with the auto scrubber. To clean out the dirty water, remove the reservoir hose and empty its contents by removing the cap and into a janitor sink. Clean out the reservoir tank and prepare the unit for battery charging. To charge the batteries, remove the clamp from the auto scrubber and open the lid. Make sure there is no water in the reservoir tank during this process. After opening the lid of the auto scrubber, ensure that the proper battery cable is being charged. After lifting the lid on the auto scrubber, take apart the 2 battery connectors. The battery connector, which is connected to the batteries, will be the one you need to attach the battery charger's connector to. Once connected, plug the battery charger into an outlet and make sure the light on the charger is on for proper charging. For charging the batteries from empty to full can take approximately 8 hours before being fully charged. By following these simple instructions, you are now ready to begin using the Betco ASD26BT auto scrubber. For more information, please call one of our customer service representatives.